Okay, so this workout, we're going to be doing 50 seconds of work, 10-second rest. There's 4 exercises in total, so power through all 4 exercises. Okay, so that's going to take you 4 minutes in total. Okay, and then once you've done one side, so we change grip and then do the other side, and then same again. So 50 seconds work, 10-second rest. Do all 4 exercises again, so that's going to take 4 minutes. So you've done 8 minutes in total. Take a 60-second rest when you've done both sides, and then do a second set. So you're going to go 4 minutes of right arm, 4 minutes of left arm. So in total, 16 minutes of work with a 60-second transitional rest in between. So that'll be about 17 minutes in total. All right, so we're going to go through some of those exercises now. So the first one is going to be arm cast, so elbow tucked in, 90-degree angle in the elbow, shoulder down and pec down. Got the club in the hammer grip, muzzle pointing to the sky. Just going to put that in the back pocket. Make sure this elbow is close to the ear. We're not chicken winging out, flaring out the ribs. Pull down from the lat, pull down the elbow, bring it back into that starting position. Okay, abs are nice and tight, glutes are turned on, bringing it down into that order position. Okay, so 50 seconds work, 10-second rest. We're going to go into swing squat. So we're going to go a little bit wider with the feet, and then we're going to catch that club out at the bottom position. So casting forward, swing, catch it out in that bottom position, swing, catch it out. So if you can, get the thighs parallel with the floor, making sure this arm stays up shoulder height, elbows locked out, shoulder down and pec down. So we're going to do the same again, 50 seconds work, 10-second rest. Then we're going to go into flag press, starting off in that order position, hammer grip, and then going driving forward and up away from the body. You can have your hand out to the side if you want, get a little bit more stability. Draw back that shoulder blade, squeeze through and pull that elbow back into that order position. So drive forward and up, and then squeeze through and bring it back in. Again, go 50 seconds of work, 10-second rest. Last one, we're going to go clock squat. So we're going to cast it out to the side, and we're going to do a full 360, catch it on the opposite shoulder. Catch it on the opposite shoulder, cast out. All right, same again, 50 seconds work, 10-second rest. Then go on the left side. Do all 4 exercises on the left side. Take a 60-second rest, and then get into your next round. All right, guys, so that's it for today's workout. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.